Okay, here we are doing our pressure test using the instructions from Dave, the DIY HVAC guy. And you can see we're down to 160 microns. It's taken quite a bit longer than with his sweet, blue hose, but all right, we're gonna cut it off and start our test. Reach down here, turn off the valve, turn off the pump, and the time is 1:32. Okay, the time is 1:42, and we can see that we are at 180 microns, so we changed a whopping 20 microns, well below the 500 microns limit that Dave talks about. So I think this system is sealed and ready to release the refrigerant. What, sweetie?